What's going on, everybody? Exciting video today. We finally have a gasser. This is the OryxEarth BRM200-2, and this is what they consider a classic mini bike. And so today we're going to go over the unboxing, the building, and the testing of this unit. Super exciting. OryxEarth reached out to me and said, hey, would you like to test one of these? And I said, absolutely. It's got oil and gas, and I've been missing out, and I cannot wait to get this thing together. So let's unbox it as usual. Let's set it up and let's see what it looks like. That's the tire. That's a big old tire right there. Look at that. Okay, so there's what appears to be the front tire and the front axle. This box right here is deceptively heavy. So this time we're going to take a little bit easier. Okay, let's see what we got. We got a very disassembled mini bike. Yeet. See if we can lift this bad boy up. Oil clutch bushing before each use. See owner's manual. All right, there she is. Let's build her. And if you're looking for this bike, see the description and top comment below how to get this thing with a discount. Yeah, there she goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Would be smart to do one at a time, but not a smart man.
I'm not a smart man.
What on earth is this thing?
Oh, brother.
Protector? I don't even know her.
This guy stinks!
Not gonna lie, when I first saw this, I thought it was OryxEarth.
Watch how OxyClean unleashes the power of oxygen.
Some Ugga-Duggas right there. Oil clutch bushing before using. What? So let's see how far we get with this bad boy. I added a little bit more oil. It's about halfway up, so that should be more than sufficient. I'll just double check the manual. And there it is, the OryxEarth. And we're going to give this a whirl. The thing looks amazing for the price, actually. I can't wait to turn this on. I can't wait to hear a brap again. Let's get it out there. Okay, and we are going to get it started. We're going to turn this to the on position right here, and let's go. Ooh, wow. Wow, that thing started right up. You might see a little bit of smoke. That's my bad. I ended up putting a little bit of two-stroke oil in here, but she sounds good. She sounds healthy. All right. There she goes. Yeah, a gasser again. Oh my goodness. Super excited to be on a gasser. Woo, all right. We're actually getting somewhere. Whoa, 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 this thing is fast. Oh my God, watch this. Now that we got some speed. Woo, whoa, my goodness. Holy moly. This, I'd be hard pressed to give this to kids. It's getting up the hill. It won't get up all the way. That's all right though. Wow. This thing is going to be fast. I got to test top speed on this. Oh my goodness. I'm going to send this thing to probably 40 miles an hour. We're going to do a top speed on this right now. Okay, we have the speedometer here. We're gonna hit the play button. All right, here we go, everybody. It seems very fast. All right, here we go. Whoa! Oh my goodness! All right, we hit it, top speed. We're at top speed right now. This is I'm going to say 38. I'm going to say that was 38 miles an hour, but we're going to try it up a hill. And you know what? For hee-haws, oh my goodness, this thing is fast. Look at that, 38. Oh my goodness. What a scary machine. Oh man, it's so nice to have another gasser. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh my goodness. to have another gasser is great. All right, we're gonna take this off-road for a few minutes here. This is overgrown. Tick City, Tick City, Tick City. Oh, all right. I gotta wear shoes. The grass is whipping my feet. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so nice to have another gasser. Gassers are so different, I tell you. There we go, everyone. There we go. Yes! Woo! And what makes this seem faster is we're so low to the ground. All right, we're gonna hit the jump. Oh, yeah, not made for that. Suspension-wise, no suspension. All right, let's go down here. Woo! This thing is good off-road too. Oh, mini bikes, huh? All right, let's kill it. Okay, there's the OryxEarth. This thing went 38 miles an hour. Let me just confirm that. 38 miles an hour. Dangerous, actually. All right, everybody, that is the OryxEarth. Wow, what a blast. I cannot imagine this thing doing 38 miles an hour. But there you go. I mean, ungoverned. I accidentally put 2-stroke oil in this, and this thing is still a screamer. It's so good to be on another gasser. I'm super impressed by all of these little mini bikes at a swap meet or at like a fun little grass event or something like this. This is perfect. You don't need anything more than this. It's comfortable to drive. It's got nice big tires. It's fast. The clutch assembly is nice. The motor sounds ultra healthy. Now, I don't know about the longevity of these things, but you do have a 90-day warranty, which is worth something. And you can always toss a Harbor Freight motor on this if something happens. Overall, this is an extremely good platform, extremely good deal. Now, this is better than a lot of the e-bikes off-road, and I would give this a 3.5 off-road, and this is not made for on-road. The only thing that would be better with this, obviously, suspension, and it's not a dirt bike. You got to take it at what it's worth. As far as mini bikes go, I'd give this a 4. It's not quite as good as the Coleman's with the front suspension, but you know what? For the price, oh my goodness, what a blast. Pick one of these up. Check out the description down below in the top comment and get yourself one of these with a discount. There is no better than these, and they're super easy to set up and assemble, as you saw, and the quality is surprisingly good. So those are my thoughts on this. OryxEarth, thank you so much for sending this out, and I appreciate every single one of you for watching this video. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. What that does is give us more ability to test out more products and showcase what we have. And as always, I thank you all for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Appreciate it, guys. Take it easy.